This is a 2008 Chevy Equinox, and it's got kind of a musty smell inside. And it's got a bad cabin air filter. So I like using these Fram fresh air filters to give the vehicle a nice clean scent. Now if you have an Equinox or a Torrent, they're pretty much the same car. Now this filter is used on some Saturns as well, but I'll put a link in the description on how to buy this off Amazon. Once again, we'll go step by step on how to change the cabin air filter in this 2008 Chevy Equinox. Once you have the hood open, on the passenger side, kind of up by the windshield, is going to be this big plastic housing. That's going to hold your cabin air filter. Now we need to lift up some of these plastic pop rivets and remove this housing. Now you can just use a flat blade screwdriver to get underneath there, kind of work its way up a little bit, and then you can pretty much pull it out by hand. Now you really only need to remove these three. There's one hidden kind of behind this seal, and you can lift it up enough to get into your cabin air filter. As you can see, this one's pretty dirty, so we're just going to go ahead and pull that out. Now something to look out for, you want to look for this airflow and the arrow. It should be pointed like this, so that the arrow is pointed towards the inside of the car. Now you can just kind of finesse it down back into place, and it should stay in place. There's a couple little holding tabs on each end, so if you have it in there and it kind of falls back out, it shouldn't do that. Make sure it's behind the little holding tabs. And now we just need to reinstall these pop rivets. To reinstall these, you just realign your plastic housing with the holes. Make sure your holes line up. Go ahead and push in your pop rivet, and then just push down with your hand and it will secure itself in place. Go ahead and do that for the remaining pop rivets. And that's all there is to it. You can call this job complete, and now you're going to have that nice clean scent inside your car. This whole process should take less than 15 minutes. And if you go to the oil change place, they're usually going to try and sell you this thing for about 30 bucks installed. Make it kind of sound like it's a hard job to do. You can do it yourself at home, step by step, by watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.